Hello, good evening, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknathurao Kharche Talent English Medium School, Muktayanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss Unit 5. This is poem. Unit 5th poem. The poem name is The Balloon Man. Have you seen The Balloon Man? Yeah, obviously you might have seen at your home side, village sides. Is it not? The Balloon Man will come. And some fair, you know, Muktabai temples, 8 days fair was there. So many types balloons came, many types different playing things came that you have seen, is or not? So like that, today we are going to learn through the poem about a balloon man. So I am reading the Balloon Man poems. Just listen carefully and read with me. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch, and in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. So what happens? He always comes on market days. Means अलग अलग मार्केट रहती है, वो अलग अलग मार्केट में वो बैलून लेके आते थे. He always come and holds balloons a lovely bunch, and he always carry the bunch of balloons with many colors of balloon, and it looks very interesting, very attractive and very beautiful to this child. That's why they always cry for purchasing the balloons. And in the market square he stays, means middle of the market he always stays, that everybody can touch it and everybody can purchase it, and never seem to think of lunch. He never think about his lunch. It may be 2 o'clock or it may be 3 o'clock. He never think about it. They are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the cart and people get between. You see them shining for away. So it has different types of colors of balloon. Red color, blue color, green color, different colors balloon are available in the Balloon Man, and in sun shining it's shining different colors, and the cars and people get between. You see them shining for away, means the peoples are staying between all the cart, the shop, among the shop, among the people he stay in the among them, and the balloons are visible to top sides, and some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string, and if there is wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. So some balloons small and some balloons big, and all the balloons are tagged with thread, tagged with balloon thread, and the balloons are flying with a air. Which direction the air will come? In the opposite direction? No, in the direction only the balloons also will fly. Someday perhaps I will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Suppose if I purchase some days after, what I will do, that I will live in the sky, and the balloon sailing in the sky, it goes up and up, up and up, up and up. So when it go up and up, and it looks like very beautiful in the sky. So the students, this is the Balloon Man poem. So this question answer is everything practice, and the poem also practice very well. And I will send the question answer, meanings of word, hard words, each and everything in the PPT file. Okay, so till then keep watching the next video. Okay, bye bye.